The teaching at Vedantu was amazing. One aspect where Vedantu teaching differed from a normal offline coaching was the attention teachers gave to our doubts. No matter how many times we asked a doubt, the teachers would patiently clear the doubt every single time, and they made learning a very fantastic experience for us.
Hi everyone, good evening. Good evening students, hi. Hi Chirag, hi Rishabh, hi Swaminathan, hi Harsh, hi Neha, hi Parth, hi Rishabh, hi Rahul, hi Anushka, hi Anish, hi Payan, Devnath. Hi Mayank, good evening. Hi Vibhu, hi Harsh, Anushka, Akmal, Lakshya, Kamlesh, Sagar, Study Get Easiest, Naina. Hi everyone, hi Manish, hi Sunil. Good evening everyone, good evening. I welcome you in an amazing session of the NTSE 2019. Okay, your exam is just coming and of course we are trying our best to finish up all the portions. Okay, now your presence in the class shows that you are so determined that you will be doing this exam with great knowledge and of course definitely you will be clearing this exam. So that's a good thing, right? Yes, good evening. Sanjeevana, very good evening. Hi Neha, Isha is there, Honey, I'm good. Hi Poonam, hi Ayushi, hi Jianshi. Hi Manoj, everyone, hi, good evening. So let's start our class today. We will be learning about how do organisms reproduce. It's a very interesting chapter of class 10th. Okay, and of course you know the drill. You do kindly take some time out during this session only, hit the like button everyone, share with your friends and definitely subscribe to our channel. If you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, please do join over there. Okay, yes Mosmi, I can't see what you're asking, please write. Yes, what should I reply to? Hi Divya. Good evening. So let's start our class. So Mosmi, you can write what I should reply to. I can't see a question over here, bache. Now here's the first question everyone. Yeah, we have started. Come on. Have some patience. Now you're there. We have started. Yes, chalo. So the two oviduct in the human female unites into an elastic bag, like is known as, you have to just answer everyone. Abhijit is the first one to answer, I believe, over here. Then Anita, everyone focus here in the class, you know the drill. You can add +1, +1, +1, okay? +1, yes, Atif? Okay, so what you have to do, just write the answer in the chat box. I'll be trying my best to see over there, okay? Don't get disheartened if you get missing because it's perfectly fine. What we are doing here, everyone, is a type of revision for your examination. So let's focus here. +1, +1, +1, very good. So right answer is what? It's uterus. Now let's see the structure, everyone, and let's study about the female reproductive system. So this is the female reproductive system, everyone. Now, if we talk about the main female reproductive part, this is all of the female reproductive system is there. There are ovaries present, okay? These are the ovaries. We have two ovaries. In a female, there are two ovaries present. In ovaries, ovum / the egg is produced, right? Clear, everyone? Focus here, everyone. Focus here. Focus here, everyone. We are trying to understand this, okay? So in ovaries, ovum is produced. Now this from here up to here is called as a fallopian tube. It's called as a fallopian tube. Egg will be released from the ovary, will be traveling all of these distance, okay? And will be going to the uterus. If fertilization occur, everyone just pay attention, okay? If fertilization occur, if sperm is entering from here and moving up to this particular point, this curve. Okay? If the sperm and the egg are meeting over here, everyone focus, egg plus sperm, the process will be called as fertilization. Okay, the process will be called as fertilization. Clear? Got it? Clear everyone with this? Done? Clear everyone? Right? So this is what? This is the fertilization process. The fusion of male gamete and a female gamete is called as fertilization. Okay? Now once this fertilization is done, the formed egg will travel from the fallopian tube and it will get implanted into the uterus. Clear? Now this green color ball that I have drawn is called as initially the zygote when it's there in the fallopian tube. Okay, once it's attached to the lining of the uterus, it will call as the embryo. Clear? Now this will get attached on the uterus. Slowly the uterus wall will have more blood lining. Will have a thick blood lining which will give the nourishment to it. Okay? And the baby will grow in the uterus. Clear? So the uterus is also called as the, basically it's a womb where the baby will be developing. Okay? Zygote is the first, basically after the fusion of the egg and the sperm, the first cell which is formed is called as the zygote. Clear? The single egg. Once the egg and the sperm are getting fused, they will give us zygote. Clear? Okay? Yes, Shreya, blastocyst is there, but that is not in your syllabus, so we will not be using that terminologies. Cleavage, yes, of course, we have that also. Double fertilization come in plants, we will discuss that with the questions. Clear? Okay? Atif, bolo, le liya aapka naam. Now, embryo is something, Neha, one, it is get over inside the uterus. Jaise hi, when the zygote traveled over here and it get inside the uterus, development will start. That is called as nothing but as the embryo, and it will slowly grow in size. Okay? So the right answer for this question was what? Uterus, and you all were very good. Clear? So with that, we have a fair bit of an idea about the female reproductive system. Over here, if you see the proper structure, everyone, what are the important things that you have to remember? You have to remember about the ovary, from where the ovum or the egg is produced, fallopian tube which helps in the transportation of the sperms and the egg, uterus, the triangular structure in which the development of the baby will occur, right? Endometrium wall is a thick blood lining which actually gives the nourishment to the growing baby, and then the cervix, and then the vagina. Clear? These are the important parts of female reproductive system. Clear? Chalo. Very good, very good. Mayank, I'm really sorry, bache, we have explained it. Kindly just, I'm really sorry, just go through it again, okay? There are a lot of kids there who are saying jaldi, jaldi. So we have to run fast, okay? We have less amount of time and then you have to sleep also. Question number 2 on your screen, everyone. Development of egg without the fertilization is called as, this is from the plants. We have studied the fertilization process required 2 gametes, but over here, if without the fertilization process, if something is being formed, development of eggs have occurred, what do we call that procedure as? Okay, I can see. Great. Awesome. Thank you, Akhilesh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, very good. Majority of you, main of you, like, yeah. Majority of you are saying it's D option, which you are completely right. Parthenogenesis is a process in which fertilization is not involved. Okay, a male and a female gamete are not fertilizing. They are basically the eggs and everything are produced without the fertilization process. The good example is the example of banana tree. Okay, so we get usually the banana tree without the fertilization process. Okay, the easiest example for us to remember. Okay, so basically parthenogenesis is a natural form of asexual reproduction in which growth of development of embryo occurs without the fertilization. The female body will form it, and of course it does not have any of the male gamete into it, and that process is called as parthenogenesis. Okay, clear? Right, +2 everyone. I want to see +2. +2, +2, +2. Grapes also, yes, definitely. Yes, Nilima. Master Devansh, you will get the schedule on the community page, so you can go and check over there. Nahin, there are other options, Anushka, there are a lot of other options. Okay? We have, as your friend said, grapes are also there. There will be other examples also. Parthenogenesis is the right answer, and let's move to the third question, everyone. I hope you're adding +2 and love to see your dedication, everyone. +2, +2, very good. Now, here we are moving to the pollination. Now, what is pollination? The transfer of the male gamete to the female gamete on the female stigma basically is called as the pollination. So, what is anemophily? Now, everyone, do pay attention. These are the terms which are very common in your examination. Okay? Okay, so look over here, everyone. Yes, very good. Anemophily is pollinated by. Now, you have to first identify what is anemophily is. You know the pollination process. That is very good. Is it air, water, insects, or the animal? Okay, I can see. Anemophily, though it sounds like an animal, it is not. It is wind. Sorry, it is basically, what do you think? It's wind pollination. Unfortunately, there has to be, air. Option A. Okay, so option A is the right option, which we are discussing about the wind. Wind help in the carrying of the pollen grains. See, can you see over here? These are the small pollen grains that will be traveling to the stigma of a flower. Okay, they will be coming and they will be sitting over here. So basically, wind is helping in the pollination process. That process in which wind plays an agent of the pollination is called as anemophily. Remember the spelling, everyone. Okay, we will be learning some other terms also very soon. Anemophily is the right answer. Great, 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 great. Awesome, everyone. Shreya, I usually have live session on Thursday itself. Okay? There's no alag schedule for it. You can always just go on the Vedantu 9th and 10th class channel. On that, on top of you will see home, videos, playlist and community. If you go on community, you will see all the plans, what is there, if there are polls, every class's information you'll get over there. Yes, chalo. What about the insects? Insects, I'll not tell you now because I have a question based on that. So we'll learn over there. Okay? So right answer is air, everyone. Next question. Now here we have a somewhat similarity, but let's see. Pollination between the different flowers of a same plant is called as what? Pollination between different flowers of same plant is called what? Can anyone tell me? So we have, I hope this will work this time. So we have a So we have two flowers. Okay, now you're answering. That's good. That's very good, very good, very good. Pollination between the different flowers, same plant. Different flower, but they are on the same plant. What we will call? pollen grains of this, basically anther is there. Okay. Pollen grains are here. This is the stigma. Now if these pollen grains are coming here, that is called as what? Where, okay, a lot of people are answering. Good, very good. Now let's see what are the words written over here. Autogamy, getinogamy, allogamy and xenogamy. Now everyone please pay attention in the class. Autogamy is this. If the pollination is happening from the same flower on a same plant, basically on a different flower, okay, right? Now this is nothing. So what happened in autogamy? Same thing is happening. Same flower, same tree. Clear? Getinogamy, in which they are basically different flowers. Clear? They are completely different. Yes, everyone, are you there with me? Yes or no? Yes? Good. Clear? So this is the right answer is autogamy. What is getinogamy? Anyone? Harsh, it happens with the help of different agents. What is getinogamy? It is basically the same flower is there. Completely same flower. Okay? Yes. And it is moving on the different side. Clear? Xenogamy is two different types of flowers. Two different types. It's like a hybrid. Okay? Allogamy is still same flowers, maybe they are together, but at a various distance. That is called as allogamy. Yes, Akhilesh is saying us that fertilization of a flower by pollens or from other flowers of the same genetically identical plants. Yes, Akhilesh. Good. Great. Yes, Anshul. Yes, Harsh. आतिफ देखो क्या रिपीट करना है ऑटोगैमी में क्या हो रहा है सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन ओके डिफरेंट बिटवीन हैपेंस पॉलिनेशन बिटवीन द डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स ऑफ द सेम फ्लावर ओके सो एक पेड़ पे दो फूल है देयर इट्स हैपनिंग ओवर देयर डन गुड नीलिमा वेरी गुड ओके चलो एवरीवन मेक अ स्माइली चेन वेरी गुड एवरीवन चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी Thank you, Shreya. Thank you so much. Xenogamy Rishabh is a condition in which there are two different flowers. For example, on one side we have rose and on different side we have marigold. So they are completely opposite species. If we take the pollen grain of the rose and then we try to fertilize or pollinate the marigold plant, that is xenogamy. Completely different species. Okay? Clear? Chalo. Moving on now. Is it Shivansh? Chalo, next question everyone. Buck up. We are there. We are on question number 4. We have to go we are on question number 5. Long way to go for us, right? Thank you, Alicia. Alish, nahi. I think I'm doing it right. Yes, Shreya, good. Yes, Manoj, getinogamy is cross-pollination. Very good, very good. A, very good. No, it's okay. So, acrosome, basically, let's see. Yes, you are right. Majority of you are right. Let's see. Is a Golgi apparatus or the Golgi bodies. Harsh, thank you so much. What you're writing, I have no idea. Okay. Yes, we have this. Okay, so we have this acrosome. Now, what happens during the development phase of the sperm? Can you see everyone? Acrosome basically is nothing but the cap-like structure which is formed. Okay, the cap-like structure that we see in the structure of sperm is the acrosome. During the development of this, basically, the sperm is not always a structure that we see. During the process of gametogenesis, they are actually a normal cell-like structure. During that phase, what happened? They have a lot of mitochondria, they have the nucleus, and of course, they have the Golgi apparatus. Now, as we know, Golgi apparatus does a lot of work in the transportation, and of course, carry lots of proteins and etc. What happens with the time, right? So, they just push it over here and start forming as a head-like structure, if you can see over here. Clear? Slowly, the centriole will form the tail-like or the flagella-like structure of the sperm, and it will move downward. From here, if you see, mitochondria is here, nucleus is here, Golgi apparatus and centriole. We have studied that centrioles plays an important role in the cell division. Now, this particular centriole will move down, and from there will be a long tail, spindle, threads will be formed, and that is called as flagella. Clear, everyone? Gametogenesis is a process by which we get the sperms and the egg. Okay? Now, slowly, if you see, the Golgi apparatus will move, and of course, it will come on the cap-like structure. The green portion over here is nothing but the Golgi bodies. Clear? So, basically, Golgi bodies are the one which forms the acrosome or the cap-like structures in the front of sperms. Clear? Clear, everyone? Chalo. Done? I hope now it has to be plus 3. Sorry, plus 5. Okay? Done. Great. Chalo. Next question, everyone. Question number 6. Now, this is a method by which bacteria reproduce. You have to find that which of these is the correct option and by which the bacteria reproduce. We have studied there are different modes of reproduction, sexual and asexual. Bacteria is a very small microorganism, right? Basically in the Monera kingdom. So which type of sexual mode it use? It's the asexual mode of reproduction. But in that also, which type? Anyone who's answering? Okay, I can see B, D, okay. D, okay, B also. Great. Awesome. So let's see, let's check it out. Yes, the answer is binary fission, option number D, right? We have seen that basically what happens, they will just divide. There is a bacteria, okay? The nuclear material is present inside them. Slowly they will divide and new 2 cells are formed, okay? Binary means 2. Fission means split. Fusion, you must have heard of, okay, this is a fusion of 2 songs. So fusion means mix, whereas fission means split. Okay, so what will happen? It will be divided into 2 different parts. That is called as the, binary fission. What is budding, everyone? Let me explain you budding also. Okay, budding is nothing but occurs in the hydra. Okay, from here a small structure will be formed. Slowly it will grow in size and gets a separate structure. Okay, and it will move separately. This is the budding process. This is the budding process. Okay, this is the budding process. Happens also in the east also, right? Very good study getting easiest. Yes, budding happens in the hydra in the east also. Fusion, we have, I just said that it's the mixing. Usually we see in the sexual fertilization. Gametogenesis is nothing but a process by which the gametes are formed. You will be learning more about it in your higher classes. And of course, we have the binary fission as the answer. So the right answer by which the bacteria are producing is the binary fission. Clear? Plus 6, everyone. Clear? 6, everyone. Now let's see the question number 7 also. Okay, Question number 7 is, what is pollination is? Now, is this the easiest of all? Rishabh, gametogenesis is nothing but a process by which gametes are formed. Basically, eggs are formed and the sperms are formed. Eggs are formed in the female body, sperms are formed in the male body. So this, the whole process by which they differentiate, they divide, they are formed is called as gametogenesis. Easiest? Yes. Very good is the first answer. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is called as pollination. Right? Is the easiest one. Clear? These are the anther and to the stigma, that will be the pollination process. It's the easiest of all. Okay? I hope by that time you are +7 because we are on question number 7. If you got it correct, it is good. Clear? 100% very good. Now these are some of the important questions of the NTSE. You can see the year also that we have mentioned. Right? So these questions are important, everyone. And of course, we usually feel, ma'am, this is not there in our NCERT. Usually the NTSE level is a bit more up. They have more elaborated and deeper studies for that. Okay? Question number 8, everyone. Now, it's a role of placenta. We have heard a lot of stories about the placenta, its role and its how it's been made and how it's been functioning. What do you think is the role of placenta is? Okay. Shubhrata is saying D. Shreya is also saying D. Harika, Om. Studying, getting easiest. That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay. The right answer is, of course, to provide the nourishment or the nutrient to the developing embryo. Now, if you see over here, everyone, placenta basically is nothing but a sac-like structure, or to which it just baby is there and a lot of blood vessels are there, and it provides a lot of nutrition, a lot of blood supplies are there. A transfer is happening between the mother's body and the fetus body. Okay, all the nutrient, all the waste materials, everything will be getting exchanged with the help of placenta. Okay, so placenta is the right answer, everyone. So they have written it over here also. Is it a temporary organ? Temporary organ that's connected to developing fetus via umbilical cord to the uterine wall, as you can see over here. Okay, and it's allowed to take the nutrition. It's allowed to take the nutrition also. Done? Okay, clear? Yes, everyone, clear? Got it? +8? Good. It provides the nutrition to the developing embryo. Very good, everyone. Now +9, let's make it +9. I have this. The pollination by the birds is called, what do we call the pollination process that is done by the bird? Now, I told you, I'll be discussing some interesting names. Here we have. So, pollination by the birds. Let me just define you what are the words over here. If we talked about the malacophily, okay, it is the pollination done by the snails. You must have seen snails, right? They are done by the snails. Actinomorphy. Actinomorphy. What do you think it could be? Anyone? What do you think actinomorphy could be? Yes, anyone? I'm just giving you a break over here. Cryopectrophilia is nothing but the bat. Now we have two. Anyone? Sounds like insects, right? Right? It's the insects. And of course, this is nothing but the orthonomorphy is caused by the birds. Now, birds are the one, if they are helping in the pollination process, we call it as orthonomorphy. Clear? So, remember this, everyone. Okay, so you should know the different names of the different agent which helps in the pollination process. Okay, now pollination, as we have studied, can happen naturally also, but sometimes it requires agent. Okay, so these are the important things. Now I hope it's +9. Can you see a beautiful bird? over here. Okay, now I hope it's plus added, plus 9 everyone. Now let's make it plus 10. I want to see, let's make it plus 10. The male reproductive part of the flower, the stamen, are collectively known as. We were talking about a lot about the anther, filament and everything. What do you think? Okay, amazing. Okay, so the right answer is what, everyone? The right answer is option number A. The right answer is option number A. We have seen that basically this is the filament and this is the anther. Okay, this is the filament and this is the anther, and this whole part together is called as stamen. Okay, and this whole part in the flower is called as the androecium. Clear? It is called as the androecium, which means definitely Harika is Harika, it means the male. So androecium is the male part, whole part. Gynoecium will be the female part. Clear? Great. Clear, everyone? So how many of you got plus 10? How many of you got the plus 10? Tell me. Tell me, tell me. Tell me, plus 10, that is amazing. That is so amazing. Very good, Shreya. I really liked it. Honestly, plus 10, very good. Amazing. Chalo. Here is a homework question, everyone. Do write the homework in the comment section below. And yeah, I would love to see the answers. Okay, it's okay. Harika, it's okay. Great. So you have to answer this, everyone, in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button for the video. Right? Great, everyone. So basically, everyone, what we are trying to do over here is nothing to have a very quick revision for all of you, right? For all the updates, for everything, you can download this PDFs and everything is there on the WhatsApp app. Do download it, okay? Join the Telegram group, of course. If you're there, you know a lot of discussions happens over here, a lot of knowledge you gain from there, and of course, don't forget to hit the like button for the video, everyone. You can write to me in this particular email address, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Cross-pollination is nothing but what happens, let's say there are two different flowers, okay? And if the pollen grains of that different flower are coming and sitting on the different flower stigma, that is called as cross-pollination. Two different flowers there are completely different flowers are there. Yes, definitely meet you soon, very meet you soon. Okay, you want to see the homework question? Yeah. Here we have the homework question. Triple fusion is nothing. See what happens. Look, in the NCERT, they have not given in the depth about the double fertilization, but if you want, we can discuss now. What happens? There are pollen grains. Pollen grains makes the pollen tube. With the help of pollen tube, they are traveling. There are male gametes into it. They get inside the embryo sac. There is a fusion. First fusion occurs with the egg, and that is called as syngamy. Second fusion occurs with the polar nuclei. It has two nucleus, and one of the male gamete goes there and fertilizes. That is called as triple fusion. The fertilization process is happening twice, basically inside the embryo sac. That is called as double fertilization, everyone. Okay? Great. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. Great. Yes, of course. So what we are doing, everyone, we are trying our best because there's lot shortage of time. We're trying our best to finish off the syllabus. Okay? And you will have the videos definitely. Clear? Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay? Thank you so much for coming here and studying with us. Do write the, example, the homework question in your comment section below. and I'll be happy to reply to it. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you next week. Keep watching the videos, learn, keep on learning something new every day, because life is very short, you know. Life is very, very short. Wherever you're getting the knowledge, just go and grab it. There's no point where the knowledge is completely full. So you have an opportunity to learn something. It's your age, you can learn, you are in tech world. So yeah, enjoy that process. Thank you so much again, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.